fourth chapter. Come back to the fourth chapter. Affirmative and negative sentence. Affirmative means a positive sentence where not is not used, where not word is not used. Without not, the sentence is made. It is called the affirmative sentence. Negative meaning is not given. It always provide you positive sentence. It is called agrees with a statement is called affirmative. Negative means their sentence can be in the negative manner. Negative, no, not, or do not, neither, nor, did not, nobody, cannot, no. So when these words are coming in the sentence, it is considered as a negative sentence. So here are some negative sentence. Tense is given present tense. For affirmative may write there, he writes. Negative may he does not write. Or past may gives that, plural may gives the I or we, you, they wrote. Here you can write I don't write, we don't write, you don't write, they don't write. Simple past symbol में I wrote, we wrote, you wrote, he wrote, they wrote. Simple past negative में I did not write, we did not write, you did not write, he did not write, they did not write. और simple future में I will write, we will write, or I shall write, we shall write, I shall not write, we shall not write, I will not write, you will not write, we will not write. You old English में we were using shall only. When I and we comes, we were using shall. But now there is no compulsory. I and we comes shall and will write also. It is right only, not wrong. Present continuous tense में writing I am writing, I am not writing, or he is writing, he is not writing, we are writing, you are writing, they are writing, we are not writing, you are not writing, they are not writing. It is according to the tense given. Past continuous में given. He was writing, I was writing, he was not writing, I was not writing. Past continuous, we were writing, you were writing, they were writing, we were not writing, they were not writing, we were not writing. Future continuous में I shall be writing, we shall be writing, I will be writing, we will be writing, I will not write, I will not be writing, or you will not be writing. Present perfect में he has written, he has not written, or I have written, you have written, we have written, they have written, I have not written, we have not written, you have not written. Past perfect I had written, we had written, you had written, I had not written, we had not written, you had not written. Future perfect I shall have written, we shall written, we shall have written, I shall not have written, or we shall not have written. This is a sentence ways, tense ways given, affirmative and negative sentence. Now here some more negative sentences are given. His son is not a doctor. His son is a doctor. It's a affirmative, positive sentence. You were not hungry. You were hungry. Positive sentence. They did not have enough time. They had enough time. He does not have a new pen. He has a new pen. The servant has not stolen my watch. The servant has stolen my watch. Now, some more negative words are given. did not, nobody, cannot, no, and nor. Do not. These are considered as a negative sentence. Not only not, but this word also. Do not, neither, nor, did not, nobody, cannot, no. This also comes in the negative sentence. And always remember that when not is removed from there, it can make an affirmative sentence or a positive sentence. Now come to the exercise. Choose the correct option. Sentence which has not in it is called a negative sentence. Where there is a which not is added, it is called the negative sentence. Affirmative sentence agree with the statement. Affirmative sentence agree with the statement. Now B number C there. Write the following sentence in another way. First one has done for you. He has not done either his essay or his sums. He has done neither his essay nor his sums. It's a negative form. This not is there, that also negative. Now without not, using other word instead of the not, sentence changed like he has done neither his essay nor his sums. She did not do anything. She did not do anything. So instead of that, she did nothing. She did nothing. She did not do anything. Instead of that, she did nothing. He cannot play either cricket nor table tennis. He can play neither cricket nor table tennis. He can play neither cricket nor table tennis. Negative sentence made. His father cannot read or write. His father can neither read nor write. Negative sentence made. Instead of the cannot be made, his father can neither read nor write. They cannot give you any more money. They can give you no more money. Now change into the negative sentence to affirmative. Mohan saw it nowhere. So you can write Mohan saw it somewhere. Instead of using the nowhere, you can write the somewhere. Mohan saw it somewhere. There is no water in the basket. So no remove and write the some. There is some water in the bucket. I know nothing about him. Nothing remove and write there something. I know something about him. She can play neither chess nor carom. So you can write there she can play either chess or carom. You can play either. Neither is negative, either is coming in a positive manner. So she can play either chess or carom. He never comes in uniform. Never remove, that is a negative meaning. He always comes in uniform.